Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be trying another one of Roy Goddard's beers. Now a little bit of a sad story initially to start with this beer. The original bottle that Roy sent to me got smashed, but Roy was very kind enough to send me a replacement. So thank you very much for that, Roy. I'm really looking forward to trying it, especially after having a look at the recipe here. Now a couple of videos back I did a tasting video of Roy's Gash's Pilsner Unreal, which is a take on the Pilsner Unreall, I think that's how you pronounce it, beer. So this one here is actually a Kiwi version of that beer, so it's the Gash's Pilsner Unreal Kiwi Hops Edition. So it's the same malt bill as the previous tasting video I did, but all the hops have been swapped out for New Zealand hops. So what we might do is I'll pour it up and we'll quickly go through the ingredients and then yeah, go from there. Nice little hiss off the top. So this has come off the keg. Oh, look at that, nice and clear. Just pop that on the floor. Look at that, stunning clear. You can see the Emerson's logo coming through from the other side. That is a fantastic looking beer. Clarity is like 10 out of 10. It's got that nice colour there from some of the malts coming through. Nice little ring of head as well, so that's fantastic. So before we dive in, just to recap the malts, which are the same as the non-Kiwi hop version of this beer. So the bulk of it is Gladfield's Pilsner malt, and then there's Vienna, Munich, Gladiator, Sour Grapes, which is an acidulated malt, and then medium crystal, and a small touch of black malt. So the main difference is the hops, as I mentioned, they've been swapped out for Kiwi hops. So Southern Cross at the start of the boil, and then towards the end of the boil we've got Rewalker and Raquel. It's probably been dry, I'm not sure it's been dry hopped. Don't think there is a dry hop here. So yeah, all the hops added towards the end, 15 and 10 minutes from the end of the boil. And then the same yeast, the Saf Lager, German Lager yeast S189. So sounds absolutely fantastic. Slightly higher in ABV, 6.2%. So cheers guys, hope your start of your week's going well. Cheers Roy, looking forward to this. Getting obviously very similar malt aroma to the previous. A little touch of sweetness. Nice clean crisp, like a crackery sort of aroma. Smells great. And then we're getting some of the Rewalker coming through on the nose. Now this hasn't been dry hop, so it's not a huge aroma, but it smells really, really good. Citrus there, maybe a bit of passion fruit as well. Oh, that smells good. This is reminding me a little bit of the Emerson's Pilsner when it used to be really good, when it had like heaps and heaps of Rewalker thrown at it. So without further ado, we'll dive in. Oh, that's nice. Getting the hops a lot more on the flavour. Nice and juicy. So you're getting that nice clean crisp sort of Pilsner taste, but then you're getting some nice juicy, yeah, I'd say sort of passion fruit, lemon, but not so much. I think I mentioned citrus before, but not so much the citrus. It's really nice, Roy. Definitely a contrast to the other one, but I enjoy them equally. The other one's you know, more of a European flavour or flair, and this is like a Kiwi twist on that. But yeah, I wouldn't say I like one more than the other. I like the differences, but I really enjoyed both of them, you know, individually. This is another banger that you'd really enjoy. I wish it was nice and warm and hot outside. Can't even sit outside, it's too cold. Um, but yeah, with the sun beating down outside, that would be just the ticket. Some nice glass lacing as well. IBU's 41. Yeah, you can getting a nice firm sort of bitterness up front, smooths away beautifully. This was brewed, I think, back in mid-April. So once again, like the other Pilsner that Roy sent me, it's had a real nice long lagering period. Yeah, it's got a nice real juiciness to this, which the other one didn't have on the in the flavour from those hops. Oh, that's a cracker, Roy. I think Roy said to me in one of his messages that he likes this over the other one. I'm not saying he doesn't like the other one, but I think of the two, this is his favourite. I can definitely see why. Um, would have been nice to maybe do a side by side, European versus Kiwi, but yeah, both fantastic beers. As you can tell, it's going down very, very nicely. So thank you for that, Roy. Some nice bubbles streaming up there too. That is a great way to sort of dive into Monday afternoon, or I should say Monday evening. Thank you for sending the replacement. If you guys got any questions, just sing out. Roy will see your comments and he'll be able to answer them if I can't. But apart from that, drink good beer. I've just kegged my Cascade XPA, so hopefully I'll do a video later in the week of that once it's carved up. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Otherwise, we will catch you in the next video. Over and out. Cheers.